Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today, we're going to look at a scenario that many traders are curious about, focusing on Tesla and what could potentially happen based on technical analysis. Let's break down the current structure step by step so everything becomes clear. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss upcoming breakdowns. And if anything feels unclear, you can always leave your questions or thoughts in the comments. I read all of them. Right now, as you can see, price is in an uptrend and moving inside this channel. The last time price reacted from the trend line, we saw a bounce, but there is another important detail we need to pay attention to. It's the double top pattern that formed in the upper area. After this pattern completed, price dropped, and now we can see that price is currently retesting this neckline level right here. The last attempt to break above this zone failed, and this area right here also aligns with the 50 EMA acting as resistance. If we look at how the double top pattern works, price usually moves downward from the top of the pattern to the neckline, and then, after the retest, continues lower by approximately the same distance. When we measure this movement right here, it aligns almost perfectly with the support zone we have below and with the 200 EMA level. That overlap gives us a strong confluence. In that same zone, we also have an imbalance, this imbalance right here, which usually gets filled at some point. This adds another confirmation that price may return to that level eventually. Another important detail is RSI. The RSI indicator has formed a downtrend and is moving toward the 30 level. Most likely, if the drop we mentioned continues, RSI will reach the 30 zone as part of that move. If price breaks above both the RSI downtrend and the neckline level, then price may continue moving upward along the channel. However, the confirmations pointing toward a bearish move are strong and sufficient. Unless a major positive catalyst disrupts this scenario, this downward movement remains likely. That is the full technical picture based on the current chart structure. If you're enjoying these breakdowns, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming analyses. And if any part of the chart wasn't clear or you want to add your own view, feel free to write it in the comments. If this analysis was helpful, hit the like button. It motivates me to bring even more detailed content for you. See you soon.